The Electrical Workers Minority Caucus, in conjunction with the San Diego Electrical Training Center, hosted a learning experience and tour for the students of Hoover High School's Sustainable Academy of Building and Engineering. Assisted by the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers Local 569 and the National Electrical Contractors Association San Diego chapter, the students participated in hands-on labs. The Hoover High School students arrived at the training center and were divided into 4 groups. The students participated in hands-on labs which taught basic electrical concepts. Each group participated in all labs, beginning with Lab 1, where they were instructed on how to put together a Cat6 Ethernet cable. The final cable was assembled by each student and tested. When completed, they moved to Lab 2. In Lab 2, students were challenged with the assembly of a doorbell made up of 4 doorbell push buttons, 2 chimes, and a bell. When the wiring was complete, they powered up their units and tested for the correct operation of each device. A ringing doorbell was the sign they had successfully completed their tasks. And on to Lab 3. Lab 3 consisted of a series of boxes and a load center power panel. The students assembled a single-pole switch attached to a light bulb and wired a single-gang duplex receptacle. After successfully wiring the load center trainers, the students were given a tour of the San Diego Electrical Training Center. The center wastes no space. Beginning at the top, the roof has a power generation station, which creates more than enough power necessary for the center. The next stop was downstairs to the electric car charging station, free of charge because the center produces more power than it consumes. Moving on to the main low-voltage training room, where students are taught to terminate Cat 5, 6, and RJ45 connectors, as well as terminations on telephone backboards. When students entered the fire alarm control room, they found a space which provides comprehensive fire alarm system instruction. Then it was on to the conference room, where the main training center board meets and interviews for the apprenticeship program are held. The tour continued to the main shop area, where the transformer training, welding, and conduit bending classes are instructed. No training is complete without acknowledging student accomplishments. So back upstairs they went to the main meeting room for lunch, awards, and a group photo. An end to a day that was 100% positively electric.